Welcome from Creative Art. In this tutorial, you will learn how to make a homemade water heater easily, within 2 minutes. Before start this project, you need some basic equipments, like matchsticks, 2 blades, 2 core wire, glass of water. Take 2 blades, and connect the wires, in 2 blades separately. Now take the matchsticks, and remove the flammable tips. Now press the blades, against the matchsticks. And connect 2 blades, to form a complete structure. Then connect the wires, to the power supply. Plus take necessary precautions, for electrical hazards. Now insert the blade structure, inside the glass of water. Wait for few minutes. The water starts boiling, within few minutes. Now time, to enjoy yourself.